1947 at around 11 p.m. when the members of the Constituent Assembly gathered in intense anticipation. The environment was filled with joy and excitement. They were very much excited about the new India. But nobody would have wondered that after 79 years, even in Assam, on this very day, people will say, Aji Alfai bom dile ki hobo. Or after 79 years, students will be fired with pellet guns because they raised their voice. Or a person will be booked under the National Security Act because he was protecting Kaziranga. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. When a country which is somewhere in the Middle East is doing an open genocide for the last 3 years, becomes the fatherland of our country. And when a member of parliament says, "वो आजादी भीख में मिली थी, असली आजादी 2014 में हमें मिली है," that is when we have to realize that when we host this very tricolor, do we really mean to value the sacrifices of the people? If yes, then why do we allow such elements in our society? The only reason this country survived was because Gandhi made us and built us in a way that we never lost our independence. Along with India, other countries like Pakistan, Sudan, Kenya, and North Korea also gained their independence. But they could never, ever build or stand on their values. It is the smell of the soil, countless sacrifices, and the teachings of Gandhi that kept this nation alive. As a diverse nation, we did an excellent job in saving this very tricolor. And the only way we will be able to grow as a country is when people from the left wing and people from the right wing will join their hands together in building a nation full of opportunities, and so that we can be free from the criticism that we face today. When the values of the Constitution remains intact, not only inside the classrooms but also in everyday life. And when people value ownership, rational thinking, and increase a sense of brotherhood, only then can we be free from the divisive voices that has been poisoning us for the last 12 years, and which Javed Jeffrey penned down beautifully, and I quote, "ये नफरतों का असर देखो जानवरों में बंटवारा हो गया, ये नफरतों का असर देखो जानवरों में बंटवारा हो गया, गाय हिंदू हो गई और बकरा मुसलमान बन गया, कि लाल हिंदू का रंग और हरा मुसलमान हो गया, लेकिन इस बीच में ये बेचारा तरबूज क्या करे, वो तो बाहर से मुसलमान और अंदर से हिंदू रह गया." अनकोट। थैंक यू। जय हिंद। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।